Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to teach this flicker I just designed, the Super Hexagon Flicker. And this is how this baby flies. Oh yeah! There it goes. Okay, want to learn it? Here we go. So for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of common. So begin with the white side up, and we're going to fold in half. Unfold and fold both sides to the middle. Alright, fold this side to the long side. Rotate 180 degrees and fold this edge to here. Alright. Now unfold. Take this flap and we're going to tuck it inside. And repeat right here. Okay. Now stick this underneath. This is a really simple model, by the way. And open this flap. And stick this flap inside. Like that. And here we have a Shinobi unit. Now we're going to take this edge and we're going to fold it to this edge. And stick the flap underneath that edge, like that. And repeat right here. Take this edge and fold it to this edge. And stick it in the pocket. Okay, so this is what it should look like. And this might fly okay like a flicker, but we're gonna make it more into a super hexagon. So this is how we're going to do it. So we're going to take this point and fold it to that point. Like this. Okay? And crease sharply. And unfold. And let's reverse the crease just right on this segment. Just like that. Don't fold right here. Now, this is the tricky step. Open the pocket and refold this, and we're shoving this paper inside. Like this.
You're gonna hold for a few minutes.
And repeat on this side. So take this point and fold it to here.
God, I should have worn the stupid shoe out here. Now I'm gonna
Okay,
walk all
and reverse
stupid.
the crease right here.
Why is he doing it out here?
Okay? And then stick the flap inside, folding on that crease. Okay? And once you did that, there is, well, we're almost done. There's 2 more folds left. This is optional, but it'll make it fly a little bit better if you do these 2 folds. Fold this down in between the 2 points. And then fold it inside. And repeat on this side. And there is the Super Hexagon Flicker. Alright, and there's the flicker done. It'll probably fly a little bit better if you just curve it a little bit. So it's convex on this side and concave on the underside. So here we go. So to flick it, hold it right here. And I'm going to flick right on this edge. Like that. Alright, here we go. I'm going to go in the back room and flick it so it's not so noisy. Alright, here we go. Alright, so to flick this flicker, well, I just showed you out there, but yeah. I'm going to hold it by here, I'm gonna flick on this edge. And I'm very sorry I couldn't do it out there because there's too much noise, so I'm gonna do it in this room. All right. That's a good flicker. Yeah, by the way, I was doing this video out there on the kitchen table. That's always my tradition when I come to my grandparents' house. I have to do a video on that table out there. Okay, and we'll flick it a couple more times. Oh yeah. Okay, one more time. Oh yeah, that's probably one of my favorite flickers I designed already. It flies really cool and it looks really nice. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed flying that and enjoy flying it. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And, you know, I appreciate any comments down below of what you think about this video. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding that flicker and enjoy flying it. I just said that already. And I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.